Imagine hitting the open road in a camper that gives you comfort, style, and practicality without draining your bank account. That's exactly what the 2026 Mercedes camper truck brings to small families looking for adventure. Today, we're taking a full tour of this affordable RV that proves you don't need to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars to enjoy the freedom of travel. Exterior design and build quality. Right off the bat, Mercedes has made sure this camper truck looks sharp and modern. The exterior carries a signature Mercedes front grille and sleek headlights, giving it that premium feel, while still keeping things functional. Built on a sturdy truck chassis, the 2026 model is designed to handle both highways and light off-road conditions, perfect for families who want to mix national park camping with city visits. The camper is compact enough for easy driving and parking, but don't be fooled, it still manages to pack in all the essentials for small families. Its lightweight build also means better fuel efficiency, which is a huge plus in today's economy. Affordable luxury on wheels. What makes this RV truly exciting is its balance between affordability and features. Mercedes has engineered this camper truck to sit in the mid-range price category, making it accessible to families who want more than a van but don't want to splurge on a massive Class A motorhome. It's essentially a sweet spot, affordable enough for families on a budget, but still offering that Mercedes quality and reliability that's hard to beat. Interior layout and comfort. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a cozy but smartly designed interior. For small families, space is everything, and Mercedes has nailed the layout here. Sleeping arrangements. The camper comes with a convertible bed system. The dinette area easily transforms into a double bed, and there's an overhead loft-style bed that can sleep 1 or 2 kids comfortably. This makes it perfect for a family of 3 or 4. Kitchen setup. A compact kitchenette is included, featuring a 2-burner stove, a sink with running water, and a mid-size refrigerator. Families can cook real meals on the go instead of relying on takeout. Bathroom facilities. Unlike many budget RVs, the 2026 Mercedes camper truck includes a wet bath with shower and toilet. It's small but incredibly useful for road trips, especially when traveling with kids. Living area. The seating area is designed with comfort in mind. A small dining table lets you enjoy meals together, play board games, or just relax after a long day of exploring. Technology and smart features. Even at an affordable price, Mercedes didn't skip on modern technology. The 2026 model comes with a digital infotainment system up front, USB charging ports throughout the cabin, LED lighting, and climate control options to keep you comfortable in all seasons. Families can also opt for built-in Wi-Fi and solar panel upgrades, making the camper more self-sufficient for boondocking adventures. Storage solutions. Small families often worry about where to keep everything, but Mercedes made sure to add clever storage. You'll find overhead cabinets, under-seat storage, and even an exterior gear compartment for things like camping chairs, bikes, or a portable grill. Safety first. Safety is always a big deal for families, and Mercedes delivers here too. Features like lane assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and a rear-view camera make driving less stressful and more secure. Who is this camper for? The 2026 Mercedes camper truck is perfect for small families who want affordable luxury, couples looking for extra space on the road, first-time RV buyers who don't want to start with something oversized, families who enjoy weekend getaways and summer road trips without breaking the bank. Final thoughts. At the end of the day, the 2026 Mercedes camper truck strikes a balance that many families have been searching for: affordability, comfort, and practicality, all wrapped in that Mercedes-Benz quality. For small families who want to create lasting memories on the road without going into debt, this RV is truly a game changer. So, if you've been dreaming of family adventures in 2026, this camper truck might just be the perfect choice for you.